Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Walmart rewards card. Start earning rewards every time you shop. Use the Walmart rewards card to get cashback. 5% on walmart.com purchases including grocery delivery. 2% in Walmart stores, at Walmart fuel stations and on restaurants and travel. 1% everywhere else MasterCard is accepted. Redeem your rewards. Redeeming rewards is super easy. Log into your Capital One account or the Walmart app and use your rewards to pay for purchases directly, redeem as a statement credit, or even cover online orders at checkout. Keep track of your rewards balance through the Walmart app or Capital One portal. It updates automatically after every eligible purchase. And that's it. Shop smarter and save more with your Walmart rewards card. Like and follow for more money saving tips. Thanks for watching.